Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and today let me show you how to save your Twitch stream VODs.
I'll show you how to save your streams on your Twitch. So to be able to save them, so you need to go to your home button on your Twitch dashboard. So please click on the home button. After that, you will see another category. So press on settings. On settings, there will be another subcategory. You will need to press the stream button and go to VOD settings. So in this setting right here, it will show you another category which you will need to turn on the store past broadcast. So it will automatically save broadcast up to 14 days. But if you want to save them forever, you need to download them directly to your storage. So to be able to do that, you need to go to the content. So right here, go to content, then go to video producer, and all your Twitch streams will appear. Then click the three dot sign, then press on download, and you will be able to download your streams directly to your computer.